Boom, so we're here at Divine Hectares Estate, and in a moment I'm going to be showing you this estate. That's the main estate right here, then the extension. Of course, Divine Hectares now has an extension, and then finally I'm going to show you the road leading from this estate to Independence Layout. That's through Centenary, the gates and everything to Independence Layout. I'm sure you want to see that, right? So watch till the end. Now this is Divine Hectares, and this place right here is the extension. So this is the main estate. You can see the main estate is tarred, and so they had to buy this place. You can see some of the former fence that was broken, and they extended Divine Hectares down to this place. So they had to acquire this because of the demand. These plots are all available for sale, selling for 17 million naira at the extension, and the main estate now sells for 20 million naira. You can see there are houses within the estate. The old plots have been parcellated, and they put short fencing on all the plots so that everybody knows exactly his plots. The drainages are being worked on as we speak, and afterward the road will be tarred. This place comes with a sea of O, and within a short time this road will be tarred, and of course the price will change. For now there are a few plots left, about 8 plots or so left here at the extension. Now come along, let me show you what this environment looks like. Of course you can go ahead and call me for inspection right here, but in the meantime let's drive right out. Let me show you the road leading out of here down to Independence. So we're driving out of Divine Hectares now, and this is that extension. You can see this is the extension. I'll just make a turn driving out of the estate. I want to show you the difference between the extension and the main estate. I would have gone round, so you see all the buildings that are coming up right here in Divine Hectares Estate. There's electricity, there's security, there is water, and people already live here. See this guy lives here, this one too lives here. There are other buildings right inside there, a couple of other buildings, more structures are coming up right here in Divine Hectares. The main estate sells for 20 million naira, and the extension sells for 17 million naira. 17 million. This guy is almost done with his work. You know, there's another building at the back there. You can see it. You can see there. That's another building. The guy is almost done as well. A few plots for the main estate, just about 3 plots remaining somewhere here for 20 million naira. You can see that buildings everywhere. People live here. This person also lives in this estate. There's another building there. Electricity, pipe-borne water, everything available here. There's another building there. People live down there. You can see there are DSTV and all of that. People are working here. So it's a very safe and secure estate. So this is the first gate. Leaving the estate, this is the first gate. Estate owns their own transformer. You can see their transformer. Look at that. They own their own transformer that powers the estate. So this helps for the light and everything. So this is the first gate road. They are planning some serious work on this road. The environment of Divine Hectares as well. You can see a good number of buildings coming up. Look at that. So the thing now is that they are turning here into a mini estate. Alright, so Divine Hectares Estate is inside there, but the environment as well is turning into a mini estate. And so the residents of this place decided to put an extra level of security here. They decided to put an extra level of security here, and so you can see they are now building a gate. Look at that. They're building a second gate here. So there'll be an in and out gate here as well. It's past 2 levels of security. So the first gate at the estate there, and then this is a second gate. Now I'm going to show you the third gate as well. So we are connecting the Centenary admin block right now. Okay, this is the road leading out of Divine Hectares. The untarred road that connects the estate is just about a minute drive, or maybe 2 minutes max drive. So that is the admin block, Centenary City. You can see that. We're heading out of Centenary right now. So this is the Centenary admin block. You can see how beautiful this place is. This is the phase 2 of Centenary. It's Almond Gardens. This is Almond Gardens. You can see those geese. Fine stuff. And this now is the third layer of security. So before before leaving Centenary, you ought to pass through this security gate as well. You can see. So from the gate, we just went past the gate. Of course, I needed to greet the security men. And this is Portal Lifestyle Estate. And this road leads straight up to the express. That's Enugu Expressway. Expressway. They are selling for 30 million here, 25 million, 30 million a plot of land. This is the commercial area where there is a hotel, there is a school, there are office blocks. You know, this is a shopping mall. And see that this is the road leading to Jedediah Estate, Jedediah Gardens, El Shama Estate. This is the road leading to Jedediah, El Shama, and the rest. We're going straight to the express, Enugu Express. So you can see the only part leading to Divine Hectares that is untarred is that 1 or 2 minutes drive where they are now building the mini estate gates. So Divine Hectares invariably is now an estate inside another estate inside Centenary Estate. So secure. Talk about security, talk about accessibility, good tarred roads, talk about habitability. People live there, so you have no issues at all. So Divine Hectares ticks all the boxes. They tick all the boxes. So remember, the plot in the main estate sells for 20 million naira a plot, and then in the extension, which is also inside the estate, is selling now for 17 million naira. Is selling for. The estate comes with a C of O and have every amenity, security. It has everything an estate should have. They've worked on this road. They've dualized the road, and the road is now very accessible, both lanes, and that has reduced traffic along this road. And from here to Independence Layout is barely 10 minutes drive or less. You can see it's just a very smooth ride to Independence Layout. So I'm going to turn off my camera, but you can see from the other side that we're at Independence Layout. I'm going to turn off my camera here. So that is the road, and you can see there's an army checkpoint there. That was why I turned off my camera. This is the road leading into Independence Layout. So you can see it's barely 10 minutes drive, less than 10 minutes drive. When the road is free like this, in 5 minutes you'll be in Independence Layout. But when there's a bit of traffic, in less than 10 minutes you're going to be in Independence Layout. So this is Republic Layout, Republic Estate Independence Layout. We're heading into town. So I just wanted to show you the distance between Divine Hectares and town. Call me now on 080967376668 and let us schedule you for an inspection, or go ahead and make your payment. There are less than 8 plots remaining, and if you're looking for where to buy, build, somewhere very affordable that you can buy, build and live in right now, then Divine Hectares is your best option. Is in a very good location, a few minutes from town, is a secure environment. Buildings are coming up there, people live there already, so it's very habitable, and it's just for 17 million naira in a very secure estate in one of the most choicest parts of town as we speak currently. Alright, so enjoy a fantastic day, and bye for now. Go ahead and like this video. Please subscribe to this channel as well, so you get to see more of this type of amazing content from time to time. And bye for now.